Okay, Ding Dong Dinner 9?
9.
9. We're getting ready to head out.
Okay.
This looks fabulous.
It
So
looks
we
so good.
got the Thai pineapple fried rice, the honey garlic meatballs with a stir-fried veggie, and our 2 Hungry Neighbors original chocolate chip cookies. I mean, seriously?
I mean, this is delicious. Delicious. I will be making all of these again.
Oh, for sure.
These,
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I just think this looks so pretty. I'm
does.
so excited to deliver.
it does.
Yeah.
Very excited.
So, all right, we gotta head out.
we had it up. So, meet you in the car.
All right, see you there.
Okay, I think this might be our first official rainy Ding Dong dinner. It's gonna be a little wet. So therefore I think you should deliver.
Oh, I think we should do it together.
Oh, okay, so if one of us is gonna get wet, we're both gonna get wet? All right, so kind of jog there and then straight. So we are out of the hood. We are in Webster Groves, delivering to my friend Chris. You're gonna go left here on Crofton.
I love this area.
Isn't it pretty?
Oh, I love this
Yes,
area.
I do too. Her house is so pretty too. I absolutely love it. Isn't that so pretty?
Oh, I love it.
I know. It's beautiful. Her house is beautiful. You
Am I
have to see
pulling
it.
in? Because it's
Pull
raining.
in. Yeah, it's raining. We're going to have to be like semi-surprised, like, hi, let us come in because it's raining.
I want to see your strawberries over there.
Oh man, I was so excited.
We're not staying long.
He asked me what was for dinner, and I said, I don't know.
Well, this is what's for dinner. Yeah,
Ooh.
So this is honey garlic meatballs.
Ooh, that looks good.
And it goes over a Thai pineapple fried rice. Look good.
That looks wonderful. Look at that.
I know. And then a stir fried veggie. And then you can open those. Those are our very own 200 Neighbors chocolate chip cookies. They have some healthy properties.
I do. You have
Yes.
some protein.
So we added chocolate complete. We use coconut sugar.
So yes, you can either warm this up and eat it tonight, or have it tomorrow, or whatever works for you. But this is just this is our. We normally have these cute little postcards. Oh, I just brought you this.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if you've ever tried the omegas.
The Hungry Neighbors and my wonderful dinner.
That's right, which we'll have to leave so that you can actually eat.
That's okay.
Or we can just eat it with you.
Very
They deliver meals and smiles to home.
Isn't Chris the best?
She's so nice. Okay, so we were in there for like an hour and a half.
Well, we walked away with some amazing fresh strawberries.
Yes.
And some did you write down the kind of that wine?
I
Because
took a picture.
the most
I took a
delicious
picture.
rosé, and I'm not a huge rosé person.
It was good.
Ah,
That's
so,
a porch pounder.
porch pounder.
Porch pounder.
And so Ding Dong Dinner 9 in the books, and I'll tell you what, that was super fun.
that was fun.
So yeah.
And once again, people, when we show up, wine doesn't hurt.
You know,
just
yeah.
saying.
Just saying.
Just saying.
It was a lot of fun.
It was a
Thanks,
lot of
Chris
fun.
Branch.
Thanks, Chris.
See ya.